CFD, or the full term for it is a contract for difference, works very similar to investing in a direct stock. The major difference you need to understand here is that in a stock, you have direct ownership in the company. Now, direct ownership obviously comes with voting rights, whereas the CFD, you have the full economic benefits that you would have as you would invest in a stock. Only difference is you don't have the voting rights. So that means that any profits made from the price changes, you're also entitled to. If you open at a specific price and close it at another price, you also are entitled to dividends through the CFD. We call them manufacturer dividends, but we essentially do our dividends to you as well.
So is it safe? Is CFD safe even though you don't own the stock? Is there, because that is something that people have asked, yeah.
So maybe I can take that one. And I think, so I like to refer to it as a contract with Investec, but effectively it is as safe as the counterparty that you are willing to deal with, right? And in this case, and I'm going to speak specifically to clarity, is your CFD contract is effectively with Investec Bank Limited. And so as long as you believe your counterparty, and in this case the bank, is a reputable institution with a strong balance sheet that can guarantee you the payout, as Pongani explained, whether it's economic return because of price change or whether it's cash flow returns because of dividends or any other type of distribution, because you get distributions that's not dividends of nature, you get distribution that's interest of nature, right? So there is a slight nuance between those two things. But as long as you're comfortable with that counterparty, you're taking counterparty risk, and now this is another word, but you are taking the risk that whoever you trade the contract with or you have the contract with can perform under that contract. And so, yes, principally, a CFD does add some level of risk into how you express your view, right? And that level of incremental risk for you is the probability of your counterparty that you do this contract with of actually performing under this contract. In the case of clarity, your counterparty is Investec Bank Limited, and so to the extent that you are comfortable to have funds with Investec, i.e. deposits, etc., in that same way you should be comfortable to have a CFD with Investec.